Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, accessing and using Flutter widgets and the Flutter widget catalog. In this video, Flutter developers will discuss the importance of Flutter widgets and how they access and use the Flutter widget catalog. What are Flutter widgets and how can you access and effectively use the Flutter widget catalog?
Flutter widgets are built-in UI components for building Flutter apps. They're important because they're the building blocks of the UI, and without them, you can't build the app. You can access the Flutter widget catalog online because it's part of the official Flutter documentation. A quick Google search will show the catalog as the first result.
In my development experience, I have come to understand that widgets are the heart and soul of Flutter. Everything in a Flutter app is a widget. From a simple text to complex layouts, widgets describes what their view should look like given their current configuration and state. They are important because they are the building blocks of your app's user interface. Using widgets, you can create custom and complex UIs that are expressive and flexible. The Flutter widget catalog is a handy tool that I frequently use. It is accessible on the official Flutter website and provides a comprehensive list of the widgets available in Flutter. When I am looking to implement a new feature or UI component, I first check the widget catalog and find the most suitable widget. By clicking on any widget in the catalog, you can see detailed information about it, including a description, sample code, links, and related widgets. This resource has been instrumental in helping me understand the capabilities of different widgets and how to use them effectively in my projects.